What's up, guys? Here we are, back. Anyway, we are going to remove the brake booster today. As you know, if you don't know, I got this Chase base brake booster and ABS delete. I'm not going to show how to remove the lines, but basically you got to bleed all the fluid, the brake fluid that is in there. So check out my previous video, which is deleting or removing the ABS unit. So that's going to remove this big piece here. Of course, you don't need to remove, so ignore the bolts part, but you definitely need to remove the whole bunch of things in there. I believe that if you're removing this, you also removing the ABS unit, but if not, check it out. Don't forget that in short, you need to bleed the line. First, you need to bleed in here. You need to remove stuff from here. So there's a turkey syringe. I don't know how that thing is called, that you squeeze and squish stuff in turkey. When you're cooking, you can use that thing in here. Of course, don't use on the turkey anymore. Take all the fluid you can from here, and then you gotta bleed at least the two wheels. The back ones, I was fine once I did this. It didn't drip a lot. I put a piece of paper in there, that was good. But yeah, so let's go for it. So I'm gonna do a quick preview of what we're gonna do. My car doesn't have the carpet already, so you need to remove enough of the carpet from the back to reach up there. I don't think you need to remove much. All my dash and all that stuff is out, so we're gonna need to remove this guy here. Technically this was supposed to have 4 bolts, but it only have 2, one on each side, one on top, one on the bottom. So what we're gonna need is one extension like this, impact wrench, or you can use normal wrench. Of course it's gonna suffer a little more, but we also need to unclick. Let me see if I can show you this here. That little tab up there, see here, this guy. We're gonna just push it out and it should come out. So let's see what we can do and go from there. Alright, so to start with, I am going to get this guy and push it down and see if it comes off. So basically it's just a clip. You need to open it and it comes off. There you go. There you go. Okay, I'll find it in a minute. So that clip is what keeps that in here, right? So what keeps in the paddle. So now we're gonna remove. I have wobbly extensions. Took the bottom one. Let's go from the top one. It's gonna be almost mission impossible with the dash and all that stuff in here. I'm so glad I took it already. So there you go. Now the paddle, we need to push it sideways and remove it from here. So I got a big screwdriver. Let me see if I can show you. See, right in here. So what I'm trying to do is pull this on the side and try to pull it out. At this point we can come here in the front and just pull it out gently, and you're going to be able to remove this here, except there you go, for the brake that is attached. So now I'm gonna go back in there and I'm gonna pull that little thing out of the place where we took the tab out. I'm gonna push the paddle that way. There you go. Okay, last part. Oh, it is super hard because it was made to not come off unless we take this top clip off and then release the whole pedal out of the way. Okay, so what I did was I put the brake booster as much further to the center of the car as I could, so I can get in here now and use my leverage thing. There you go. So this is a fight to come off. All right, so I guess it is off. Let me see. So this is how I want my car, clean like this, because the engine is going to set in here, the new engine. And you know, all of this here was full of stuff like ABS and that brake booster. So I gotta take this stuff out of here. And if you are interested to see, this is what I'm gonna put in place. So this tiny one, I'll need to drill 2 more holes. And this is the ABS delete. So this thing goes here somewhere. And all those lines here, somehow they're gonna plug in here. 2 of them I'm going to delete and replace by lines that comes on this kit. They are Chase base. Pretty cool. I mean, it's very well done, very well constructed. I watched a video of a person saying that they felt that it should have a click, and I agree. I mean, because you're turning, you don't know how much I'm turning, you know. So anyway, that's that. And if you were only interested on how to remove the brake booster, yeah, that's how. I'm gonna have the next video on installing the brake booster delete. As you see this here, it's a Wheelwood master cylinder. This thing here is a beast. This brand is super famous. Chase Base is also very good brand. They do not sponsor me, so I'm telling you my honest opinion about this here. I wish they did, because I could have more stuff in all the cars I build. But you know, that's dope. That's pretty cool. I can have this. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel. There's a lot coming. All of that stuff is going on this car here. And you know, there's much more that I do that is not, I can't show in only one video. But do not forget to subscribe. Check out my website, carmodsgarage.com, and leave that little thumbs up, make a little comment, and don't forget to share this video, and I'll see you on the next video.
Look past my face. See status. I'm eating some McDonald's. 20 miles to